What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike Sieben. Welcome to the channel where we talk about everything Amazon FBA, specifically getting into the wholesale niche. Today's video is all about credit, the 3 different types and how we can use them as Amazon wholesale sellers. Let's get into it. All right guys, so as I mentioned, today's video is all about credit. We're gonna dive in and take a look at the different types and how we can use them. If you guys like my content, please make sure that you are smashing that like button. That helps the channel out immensely and is 100% free to do. Also, if you are not already, make sure that you are subscribed. You hit that little notification bell so you can get notified every single time I post a new video. And other than that, let's talk credit. All right, so I'm gonna break it out into the 3 different types of credit that you can use as an Amazon seller. First type is going to be credit cards. So credit cards, pretty straightforward. It's very easy as an adult to get a credit card, but it's all about how you use them, how you leverage them, and what type of credit card that you're using that can really make the difference. So you can get anywhere between a net 30 to net 60 credit card, meaning that you essentially buy yourself 30 to 60 days from the time that you make the purchase on, say, your inventory from when you actually have to pay that back. So this means you can actually purchase the inventory, get it sent into Amazon, and start selling the product, potentially even sell through entirely before you have to pay that bill. So you are essentially able to purchase more product and make more profit in a shorter amount of time just by leveraging a credit card. The other benefit of a credit card would be either the reward points or the cash back. So every credit card that has reward points will have an institution or some sort of program attached to it where you earn reward points, and then you can then use those reward points to either get yourself things like trips, travel, dining experiences, or even a reward point credit toward your overall bill, reducing your credit card bill. Then on the flip side, you have just straight cash back. So you will accumulate cash back, and then once per year, you will be loaded that cash back against your credit card bill, essentially just giving you free cash for using that credit card. And then the great thing about credit cards is the more that you use them, the higher your limit will get and the more credit that is extended to you. And then by doing this, you're able to purchase more and more inventory and thus make more and more profits for your business. The second type of credit that we can leverage is lines of credits or loans. So much like going out and purchasing a car and getting an auto loan or buying a house and getting a mortgage, businesses can actually get lines of credit or loans towards the business activity. So you can get this through your bank or another financial institution. They will actually lend you a sum of money on either a loan basis where you make standalone and predetermined payments, or a line of credit where you take that money as you need it and then pay it back when you can. And you can essentially use this money to inject into your business, buy more inventory, and thus create more profits. Then the third type of credit we can get as wholesale sellers specifically is net terms with our suppliers. So if you've ever heard the term net 30, net 60, or even net 90, all this means is your supplier is essentially extending credit to you by way of giving your inventory to you first, and then either 30, 60, or 90 days later, you actually pay them for that inventory. So net turns are obtained from a supplier by having a good relationship. So if you have a supplier that you've been doing business with for a few months now, you might be in a situation where you could ask for net terms and work out some sort of agreement where you can get net terms with them, meaning you can delay the amount of time in which you actually have to pay them for the inventory they're giving to you. So you can actually leverage multiple of these ways together, and that's what we do for our own business to really maximize the power that credit has. So for example, if you have net 30 terms with your supplier, and then you have a credit card that also gives you 30 days until you have to pay. You could essentially buy that inventory from your supplier. 30 days later, you would pay off your bill with them with a credit card, buying you another 30 days till you actually have to pay for that inventory. Not only that, but you would also earn either the cash back or the rewards points on that credit card while doing so. So in that time, you could reasonably send in your inventory to Amazon, have that inventory sell through, get paid out for that product, and then actually pay off your credit card bill before you even have to pay any of it out of your own pocket. Then obviously you're generating profits off of this, and you're able to use those profits to put back in your business, to buy more inventory, and then you can actually learn to exponentially grow your business month over month. So that's exactly what we've done for our own business. We use a combination of the three with all of our suppliers, and we're able to actually grow our business month over month, generate more and more profit by leveraging these different types of credit. All right, guys, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like my content, make sure that you are smashing that like button. Make sure that you're subscribed and hitting that notification bell. If you guys have any questions about different types of Amazon credit, leave them down in the comment section and I will get all of those addressed. Let me know what credit card that you guys like using best for your businesses, as well as what different banks or institutions you've gotten credit from. Other than that, that is all I have for you guys today.